What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, looky here. The Easy Go Nightmare becomes Easy Go Dream Come True, right? Look, got the new coil, got a new plug wire, got the new plug, got new fuel lines coming from the fuel pump to the carburetor, got new battery clamps, charged battery, good to go, air filter's good to go. You know, this was a head scratcher for a little while. You know, when I first started messing with this, I had spark. It was great. It was going to be an easy fix. As soon as I got the carburetor cleaned up, slapped back on, actually had spark then too. Just not, well, no, I had fine spark. It started up. As soon as I got the fuel tank, the temporary tank, you know, hanging and feeding the carburetor, it ran for just a short time, and then I lost spark. And that's when the shit show started. You know, I traced wires, checked this, checked that, pulled the flywheel, checked all the pickup, checked the magnetic pickup, checked everything out, everything tested out fine. The first time I hooked up the old coil I had, it didn't give me any fire, so I assumed that it wasn't the coil. Well, I was wrong. Checking the voltage, feeding the coil was good. I was getting 10.5, 11 volts feeding the coil on both wires. It was just a nightmare. Anyways, come find out, my connections were bad or dirty on my used coil that I had. So after cleaning the connections up, had great spark, everything was good to go. Got the new coil in, got all the fuel lines replaced, battery cables, got fuel in the tank, and let's just take her for a little spin. Yeah. Oh, I might have to get me one of these. This is awful handy. You know, you just drive down. I don't like walking anymore if I don't have to. Yeah, buddy. Tires got a little flat spot on them, but man, that's all right. That'll all go away. We'll see what reverse will do, huh? That's what's crazy about these engines. They'll go either direction. Kind of neat. Oh, yeah. There you go. Man, that's great. Anyhow, that's the end of this Easy Go Nightmare into a Easy Go Dream Come True. She's ready to go. I believe this is a mid to late 90s model. I mean, it's old, but man, does it run good. Hell, these don't have a ton of power. They're not designed to have a ton of power. So I may do some zip tying on some of the wiring under here, make sure we're all kosher. Oh, got an exhaust gasket. Got a new exhaust gasket in there. It's no longer leaking. And got a couple new bolts in there. Yeah, good to go. Good to go. Well, thanks for joining in. Please like and sub, and we will catch you beautiful people on the next one.